Hello! In this video, we will show you what to do if coffee does not flow out of your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Lumio. When you hear the sound of the pump but no coffee comes out, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Check the water tank. If there is no water, fill it. Try using the machine without a capsule. Remove the capsule holder and throw away the capsule. If water flows, it shows that the capsule was faulty. Just use a different one. Check the water injector. Each of our machines has a cleaning needle. For your Lumio, you'll find it in the slot inside the drip tray. The tool looks like a sharp little pin. Remove the capsule holder and open it. Insert the cleaning needle into the water injector to unclog it. Close the capsule holder and reinsert it. Replace the needle in its slot. Put the drip tray back. If the water flows, the problem is fixed. If not, visit the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto website to contact us. We recommend descaling Lumio to make sure no lime scale remains. Take a look at our video, How to Descale Your Lumio. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Lumio.